Good evening, everyone. So today we will learn how to make the very first step of country bread in a French style, so-called pain au levain. In order to do that, you need a little bit of a starter, as people in English-speaking countries call it, or levita madre in Italy. This is a remainder of the starter that I had in the fridge, and I decided that during the difficult times of coronavirus, we will not be disposing any of the starter. So therefore, this is slightly bit different than I would normally do it, but this is to preserve the flour. Anyway, so here we have about maybe, let's call it 50 to 80 grams of the starter, and I'm going to add 100 grams of lukewarm water. First we have to tar the scale. Here we go. So we need 100 grams of lukewarm water. Okay, 103. So we take away 3 grams of water. There you go. Now I basically mix the water with the starter, so it creates like a homogeneous kind of liquid. Okay, once I do that, then I'll tar the scale again just to make sure. Okay, we have 100, and now I'll be adding 100 grams of a 50-50 mix, I call it. Here it is, 50-50 mix, which is 100. It's a all-purpose flour mixed with a whole wheat flour. Here we go. All right. Here we go. 100 grams of mix together with 100 grams of lukewarm water. I mix it well together until it creates a paste of sorts, just so that all the flour mixes with the water, that's all. Okay, once I achieve the consistency I want, then I just spread the size of the container. And here we have it. And now I'll let it rest overnight. It should be resting in room temperature. Ideally, it should be closer to 80 degrees, but even if it's 60 some degrees or 70, that's fine. So I usually will put it on top of the espresso machine, as there's a little bit of a radiant heat from the bulbs, and I just let it rest until tomorrow morning. I'll see you tomorrow morning.